Stop jet lag, using natural influences to beat jet lag. Your goal is to adjust quickly in any time zone with any flight schedule. We created StopJetLag to give our jet lag travel specialists the ability to analyze your trip, regardless of difficult flight times or complex multiple stop itineraries. We do this by creating custom scientific jet lag advice, delivering the correct timing for the optimal time to start function on your destination time, based on your specific flights and your sleep patterns, when not to nap, getting light exposure at the appropriate time and avoiding light exposure, meal times, types and sizes, activity and light exercise timing, times for caffeine intake and times for optional melatonin supplements. The challenge is to scientifically recommend the timing for the major influence on jet lag based on size and direction of your time change, enabling the analysis of any combination of flights, not just direct flights with ideal flight times. You want to minimize sleep deprivation and determine realistically when to transition to the destination time. You also need to prioritize conflicting jet lag influences. The solution is to use StopJetLag to evaluate available sleep patterns, create custom scientific jet lag advice, have it reviewed by a jet lag travel specialist, and have personal notes from your specialist to adjust to the nuances of your trip.